Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's mash one ripe banana in a bowl. The trick here is to use a fork and really get it smooth. You want it to look like baby food consistency, without any big chunks. You'll know it's perfect when it looks creamy and there are no lumps bigger than a pea.
Now,
We'll add 1 cup of baby cereal and 1 large egg to our mashed banana. This is where the magic happens. Mix everything together until well combined. The mixture should look uniform
and slightly thick.
kind of like a loose oatmeal consistency. Keep stirring until you don't see any dry spots of cereal. Here's where we fine-tune our batter. Gradually add 2 to 4 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing well after each addition. The amount of water you'll need depends on how ripe your banana was. You're looking for a consistency that's similar to regular pancake batter. It should slowly drip off your spoon, not pour like water or stick like cement. Let's get cooking. Heat your skillet over medium heat. Here's a pro tip. You'll know the pan is ready when you sprinkle a few drops of water on it and they dance around for a second before evaporating. If they disappear instantly, your pan is too hot. If they just sit there, it needs more time to heat up. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to make our pancakes. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook for 2-3 minutes on the first side. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see tiny bubbles forming on the surface and the edges starting to look set. Then flip and cook another 2-3 minutes until golden brown. The pancake should be firm enough to gently press with your spatula without sticking. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.